Hi, today I will show you how to update app without republishing with Config Cloud via GitHub option. First, you need to open the GitHub repository in your browser. And next is to click on the New button to create a new repo. You need to fill in your project name and make sure it's available. Remember to make this project public, because the app needs to be able to access your files without any restrictions. Then click the Create Repository button. After successful creation, you will have to upload your config.json folders as shown in video here. Select Upload Existing File and select all of your config folders or drag and drop to upload. Please wait a moment for it to finish uploading. Now click the Commit Changes button. Okay, now open your main app. First app in multi-site configs. Config folder, open primary file which links to your primary language, and then click the Raw button. You will see JSON content like this. Now copy this link and open the file env.dart in your source code. Paste the link into app config and adjust the link by removing config folder name in the link as shown in the video. Finally, save the file. That's all. Thank you for watching.